a big grid. Again, these are all SP riders only, novice beginner, no intermediate expert. On pole, Sean Espadilla of Dodge Garage 4S1M Ravenol. Second is Rand Berganya of KC99. Completing the front row, another Dodge Garage rider, JM Malonzo. Grid 18 underbone riders po sa novice beginner pa lang po yan. Kaya sinasabi ko po sa inyo, we have almost 70 underbone racers just this weekend. Kaya, that's your Paul, Sean Espadilla. Will be off for this 12-lap race. Motul Open SP Club Race. Front row, Espadilla, Berganya, Malonzo. Followed by Olarbar, De Los Santos, and Francisco. Here we go. Just a few seconds more. It's taking a while because 6 rows po ang ating riders. Here we go. Great start by everybody. And I think Sean Espadilla managed to maintain his lead. Yeah, it's Espadilla taking the lead. Followed by Ran Berganya, second, and then it's JM Alonso.
Oh God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh! Sumilip sa inside si Ran Berganya. Here we go, nakuha na niya. Espadilla wasn't able to defend that inside lane. So it's now Ran Berganya in the lead just after the 2 laps. This is lap 3. Pero ayan si John Espadilla. The trick here is hindi ka agad Marquez, hindi ka agad magpapaiwan. Kailangan na immediately you will try to retake that position.
A few moments later.
Oh! But something happened to Ran. Umalagwa sobra. Nag-run wide. He missed his breaking point into that last hairpin. Immediately, nakuha pabalik ni Sean Espadilla. Kakasabi ko lang na malagwa. Sumobra naman ang alagwa ni Ran that time. He missed his breaking point. Meanwhile, taking the checkered flag, we have Sean Espadilla of 4S1M Dodge Garage Ravenol Racing Team. Wow, may papana-pana pa. Ravenol Racing Team after Masado Fernando's win earlier in the limited underbone GP. The team takes another big win and another, this time it's a 1-2 for Espadilla and JM Alonso. Max, may mga bonus kaya si Carlo Calderon?
Gago!
Baka meron, no, Carlo? Congratulations. Good job by the team so far. 2 big wins in the underbone category.